Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I recreated this cute little updo from TastePink. Stay tuned. So I'm starting off on freshly washed and blown out hair. So I've parted off my first section that I'm going to be working with, and I am going to be adding my Midnight Train leave-in conditioner. Next up, I'm going in with my extra butter to make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized. And now I've sectioned off an even smaller section, and I'm going to make sure that my hair is completely detangled. I'm going to be adding some rubber bands, so I have put them in some oil to let them soak so that it prevents any snags or breakage on my hair. Now I'm going in with my Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. I absolutely love this gel, so I'm using this before I apply the rubber bands. So now I am splitting this section into 3 smaller sections to do 3 small ponytails. I'm going to do a total of 6, and then I will be combining them together, but I'm just going to let you go ahead and watch. So here I am with these 6 small sections done, and now I am going to combine them together by crisscrossing them. Stay tuned. So now that the hard part is out of the way, I am going in with my extra butter to moisturize the other section of my hair. This is the part that I am going to be putting up into a ponytail. So now that my hair is moisturized with my extra butter, I'm going to be going in with some edge control to make sure that my ponytail is as sleek as possible. Okay, so now my ponytail is nice and secure. I'm going to go in with just a little bit more of the extra butter to just make sure that my ends are moisturized, because this is sort of a protective style that I'm doing. And now I'm just twisting this section up, and I'm going to just secure it with another rubber band. So now that my ponytail is done, I'm going to apply a scarf to my hair and let it sit for about 20 minutes while I do my makeup. And I am back with a little bit of makeup, ready to finish off this style. So excited to see the finished results. So to finish off my style, I am going to be using my Kinkistry Clip Ins. These are the Coilistics in the 14-inch. So I am going to be starting with the 4-clip clip-in, and these are so easy to install. You literally just open up the clip, insert it into your hair, snap the clip in place. So before I insert my clip-ins, I am going to spray them with my Midnight Train leave-in conditioner. And it's literally that easy, and you can add as many or as few clip-ins as you like. I'm definitely going for a big full look, so I am going to use almost 2 of the bundles of these 14-inch clip-ins. And here is my final look. Definitely loving this quick, easy, fun holiday updo. Give you a little 360 there. Love this look. So I thought about just one more thing that I can add to it to give it a little more pop. So I'm going to go in with some of these hair jewelries just to add a little more pizzazz to the style. I am definitely feeling this look. It was so easy to do. Let me know in the comments if you'll try this style out. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video. Also, I am in a contest with this holiday look, so please check the description box, click the link, and vote for me.